Go to the LIAN official website. Hover over the Software tab and select the first option to access LConnect 3. Scroll down the page and click Download LConnect 3. If you are using 2 or more controllers, please continue using version 2.0.17. The upcoming version will address this limitation. Start LConnect 3. A pop-up window will advise you to sort the fans in the correct position. If the numbers on the screen are different from the display on the UI, please click Reset All to manually sort the fans. Is updated to TLLCD firmware 0.62 version or newer. There are numbers on the TLLCD fans. Click the light button on the right side to confirm the position of each fan. The corresponding fan will flash twice. Proceed to next step. Arrange the fan's numbers accordingly. If any fan is not detected, please check the cables or reinstall the fan. After sorting the order, click Apply. The screen positioning is now corrected. Check out the display result after the adjustment.